So you're thinking about getting the Bitcoin standard. Let me just tell you, you need to get it. I heard about Bitcoin for the first time in 2014, and I just read this year in 2025 because I was wanting to go back to the basics. This is a great book. Let me tell you a few things. Look, by the way, I've actually read it. Like, unlike a lot of people that do reviews, see all those writings and scribbles and markings. So yeah, this is a book I've read, gone all the way through. I will go through this one again, probably in about a year, just skimming through it again. It's important. A couple of warnings for you. The very first chapter talks about money, and I made a little note when I was reading it. I love the book. Oh, by the way, the birth of Bitcoin happened on the same day as Halloween and Reformation Day with Martin Luther. What are the odds? October 31st. All right, here we go. Not the same year, but the same day. All right, as for this chapter, not too exciting, but necessary. So here's the problem. You're going to get to the money chapter, which is the very first, and there's obviously some good stuff in there, like I marked it up, but I just kind of labored through it. But then, look at this next one, very interesting. Chapter 2 and beyond was fantastic. I'll be jumping all the way to the back here. Probably my other second least favorite part was the very last maybe 7 pages. It was some of the ways that you can kill Bitcoin, and I just kind of got bored with it. Let's see. Literally, like right about the last 5 pages. Yeah, then it got kind of tiring. But the book itself is fantastic. You should absolutely get it if you care about Bitcoin and you want to know it and you want to understand it. Because if you understand it, if you have conviction, then you will not sell when things go crazy. And they do go crazy because it's Bitcoin. So anyway, hope this helps. This is a fascinating, fantastic, essential read. There's other great books about Bitcoin, but this is an essential one. You'll feel so much better having read it. I'm glad I finally did. All right, have fun. Bitcoin Standard, so good.